How's it going, guys? Dustin here, aka CropDustin on TikTok and Instagram. Today we're going to be going over part 3 of the over and under combo trick. If you didn't watch them already, go watch part 1 and 2 of this series. Part 1 showing you the under portion of this trick and part 2 showing you the over. This is specifically going to be combining the 2 tricks together, kind of giving you an idea of how this whole trick flows together. Just so we don't forget, we're going to be trying to do 3 beats on each side of our body. We'll do 3 beats of a forward figure 8 on our dominant side and 3 beats of a reverse figure 8 on our non-dominant side. So to start out with the under trick, going 3 beats on the underside. 1, 2, 3. And then once you catch it, we'll do 3 beats over here. 1, 2, 3. And then tying that all together, it'll look something like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So when you're doing this trick, don't forget to play around with it. You know, you can mess around with different levels, hitting it on a diagonal line, doing more of a straight up and straight down the body. Just, you know, play around with it, feel it out, see how it'll match your flow. You don't have to hit the 3 beats every time. Just kind of do whatever feels comfortable. You know, this is ultimately your flow and you should do it however feels best for you. Whatever feels natural is right. Thank you guys so much for following along with this whole tutorial. If you have any questions on any section of this video or the last videos, remember to like, comment, and subscribe so we know what you're having troubles with. We'll do our best to answer your questions as they come in. Thank you so much for coming. We'll see you next time.